talk about Salesforce and customer success. As Chakshav said, that 60% or 60%?
16%.
No, 60%. I mean, so if so you are ahead of your business if you're focusing on to customer success over your competitors at least 60%. What that means is like if your competitors are earning like let's say 100 crores, you're at least earning 160 crores just because you're focusing on to customer success. What that means naturally is at the end of the day, the one thing that you want to deliver to your customer is their success, right? You're not selling a problem. You're not selling. Sometimes you're selling a problem if you're in consulting, but all right.
That's a different conversation.
That's a different conversation, not for this webinar. But you're not selling a product. You're not selling a solution. You're just making sure that the other person that you're in a business with is successful, right? And when you talk about these metrics, there's no other brand that we can talk about or no other company that we can talk about which focuses on to it more than Salesforce. So let's try to cover that up, right? So Salesforce and customer success has got a deep rooted value together. In 1999, when Mark started Salesforce, it was just an application, cloud computing based, which wanted to which just helped salespeople manage their lead cycles, their lead to account cycle or their complete lead life cycle, right? But later it grew up to so much. What was the one key value that they kept on working on while developing it or while growing? The Salesforce organization. That was customer success, and that's still the number one key value that Salesforce follows, which is exactly what makes it the most innovative company out there in the world. And also regularly, like from last 1 decade, as far as I know, it's the leader in the CRM market. Why? Because it focuses on to the customer's success, right? Not onto its own success. And like the success of Salesforce comes only when the customers of Salesforce are winning. Right, so that's overall how it looks like, and it's not just in the terms when we are just describing it. Oh, this is customer success, and Salesforce focuses on to customer success. You can look into each of its products, each of its applications, the capabilities that they are regularly delivering into each of their cycle, each of their release cycles. Which is completely focused onto the success of the customers. Customers want this, need this. There is something on the idea exchange that is getting voted. They are making sure that in the next release, if its impact is really higher for the customer, it is getting delivered no matter what is happening. So that's how an organization should work. And that's exactly what Salesforce is doing. Not just with themselves within the organization, but they're also making sure that their customers are winning. And how their customers are going to win with the customer success that they're going to bring for their own customers. So it's not just their clients. It's not just Salesforce's client that they're focused about. It's also the experience that the clients of the or the customers of the client is. All right, let's take it this way. Salesforce has Adidas as a client. I'm just taking a random name. Let's say XYZ Apparels as a brand, as a client. So XYZ Apparels also have some customers. So the focus while developing the products of Salesforce is not just onto delivering success for XYZ Apparels, but also in delivering success for the customers of XYZ Apparels. And that's exactly how the product gets developed, delivered, and that's exactly how the whole overall experience gets wired up in all of its application products and all of the capabilities that it delivers. So that's something that we're going to discuss in this. Later on, one by one, by talking about each of the products that it provides and how they help in different aspects of business in order to bring in customer success for the clients.